Welcome to Dawn Devotion, where each day holds the promise of spiritual growth and inspiration. On this meaningful Wednesday, we invite you to embrace the power of forgiveness and experience the freedom it brings. Today, we explore the transformative act of forgiveness and its profound impact on our spiritual journey. Forgiveness is a sacred gift we give ourselves and others. It frees us from the shackles of resentment, heals our wounds, and opens our hearts to love. Let us reflect on the wisdom found in Colossians 3:13. Bear with each other, forgive one another if any of you has a grievance against someone. Forgive as the Lord forgave you. Today, I invite you to release the heavy burdens of unforgiveness and embark on a journey of healing and restoration. Let us embrace the freedom that forgiveness brings. Find a quiet place to reflect. Take a deep breath and let go of any resentments or grudges that weigh you down. Allow forgiveness to bloom within your heart. Thank you for joining us on this transformative Wednesday edition of Dawn Devotion. May the power of forgiveness touch your heart and lead you to a life of deeper spiritual fulfillment. Be blessed.